You don't know this. Don't fear about the black color. This is called Oywelo in Luo. It comes from the family of plants called Lamicae or Verbenacae. Its botanical name is called Vitex Doniana. Now, Vitex Doniana, or Oywelo in Luo, is black in color when it is ripe like this. But when it is not yet ripe, it is green in color. So, it's a very nice fruit. You may see the color and you think it is not nice. But just like other fruits, Oywelo is very rich in vitamin C. And one other thing, it helps a lot in controlling constipation, and also it helps in mitigating diarrhea. Once you've eaten Oywelo, it's funny, but your feces will be black in color. But it doesn't mean that will change your color to black. Don't think that if I'm black here, like Oywelo, then it is a result of Oywelo. No, it's not. So this is what is called Oywelo. Glad now you know, if you never knew. If you know and you've ever eaten, then you are remembering those sweet moments when you used to go to the bush to get Oywelo. Those sweet moments you used to sing. Wild birds are also singing. You go into the garden. When you're coming back, you come back with Oywelo. Ah, it's a nice thing. It's a cool thing. It's a good memory to the little people who know this. They're feeling it. Thank you very much for watching this video.